Hey guys, hope you're doing well. Welcome to week 6, chapter 5. Lots of really interesting information in this chapter related to healthcare ethics. I think you'll really enjoy it. So take your time in reviewing the video. Make sure you watch the video because it's kind of entertaining. And you'll learn a little bit about why there are certain laws in healthcare to protect all of us. Just a reminder, make sure you finish the review questions. You have last week's review questions due tomorrow, which is Sunday, and then this week, of course, due next Sunday. So be sure to take your time in completing those. Remember, I can open them again for you if you want to repeat them for a better grade because they're meant for studying, not meant for being a quiz per se. Next week is exam 1. So next week I am going to do a rundown of the exam so you have a study guide and you're ready to go. So don't feel too terribly worried about that. I think you'll be ready, especially if you study the way I am outlining for you to study. If you need anything, please let me know. Reach out via email. I'm happy to help in any way I can. Hope you have a good weekend and hope that your week went really well. Thanks so much.